Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find trash or the recycle bin on OPPO A60. In order to find files that we have deleted, there are several options. For instance, if you use photos, then you can find the trash by going to albums, and then if you scroll down at the bottom you will find recently deleted, and here you will find everything that you have deleted in the last 30 days. If you use a different app, let's say we're gonna open the files by Google. Then over here we can find the trash as well by tapping on these three lines in the top left corner, and here we have trash. Over here we have the trash for the internal storage, and if you use micro SD card then you will find one over here as well. On the other hand, if you use the Photos app by Google, which is this one over here, then here you can also find trash by going to Library. And over here we have the trash category, and here we'll also find files that have been removed in the last 30 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.